If you're like me, you understand the value of saving time, which is why you'll appreciate Kia's Tire Mobility Kit. It's easier to use and quicker than changing a tire. And the kit allows you to temporarily seal most tire punctures, putting you back on the road in a flash. But some of us still want a standard spare tire with us at all times, which is why Kia offers you the option of purchasing a Space Saver wheel kit and tire accessory. Both are great choices. It's just a matter of personal preference. The Tire Mobility Kit and the Space Saver wheel kit and tire are both backed by Kia's 24-hour roadside assistance. Keep in mind that the Space Saver tire needs to be purchased separately from the wheel kit. Both are available through your Kia dealership and their sales associates. Check it out.